Many things taste better with mayonnaise. Fresh asparagus, now in season, is good with melted butter, but even better with cool mayonnaise. The same goes for a fresh artichoke. Now with the creamy dressing mixed in is chicken salad and a very similar one with just vegetables. And finally, very simple coleslaw. All you need is mayonnaise, but how do you make it? Here are two kinds of mayonnaise, the one you buy and the one we're going to make. All it needs is an egg, lemon, mustard and oil. And this is what it turns into, wonderfully thick mayonnaise. You're going to be using a handheld blender and you need a jar that's just the right size to contain it. You'll see in a moment what I'm going to do. Now here I'm breaking an egg, a whole egg, and putting it into the bottom. And then I'm adding the very few other ingredients. A teaspoon or slightly more of lemon juice, just freshly squeezed, and then 1 teaspoon of Dijon type mustard, and a tiny bit of salt, just a little. To this you add 1 cup or 200 mils of a light oil. It has to be light, not olive oil, and you pour the whole thing on. Wait 15 seconds before you put in the blender and then press it down over the yolk and wait until the layers separate. Then you can start buzzing it up and then gently lift from the bottom upwards and press it up and down for a few seconds. After about 30 seconds, you'll be amazed that here finally is the mayonnaise. At this stage, you can add a bit more flavouring if you like. Many people like a crushed clove of garlic. While I'm wrapping it up as a gift, I want to tell you a few of the pitfalls. First, you must have the egg at room temperature, not cold, straight out of the fridge. And then, if for any reason it splits or is too thin, you can save it. Put just the yolk of 1 egg into a clean bowl and with an electric whisk, start to whisk it up and then pour on the separated mixture very slowly indeed. Keep whisking till you've added all the separated mixture and believe it or not, you'll get thick mayonnaise.